Hi friends, welcome back to MP Codes. In this video, we are going to create a sample Hello World application using the Java Spring Boot framework. Before we start, please make sure to install IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate as your IDE in Java Open JDK 17 or above. In my case, it is Java 21. First, create a new project. Go to Files, then click on New Project. Now, select Spring Boot from the left sidebar and add a name to your project. Then select your project location from your PC storage. Then select the type as Maven. This is for the dependency manager of your project. Select your Java JDK version installed in your PC. Please make sure to select the correct version of Java JDK. In my case, it is 21. Click Next. Add the necessary dependencies for your project. For the basic project step, I add 4 dependencies: Lombok, Spring Configuration Processor, Spring Dev Tool, and Spring Web for creating web applications. Then click Create. This will create the Spring Boot application for you. Let's try to run the application to test if everything works correctly. You can see the Tomcat server is starting up, so that means our application is now available at localhost on port 8080. By default, the port is 8080. But we can also change the port number to 8081 from the application properties file. Run the local host on port 8081 for testing. Cool, it looks good. Now let's create our first API call for printing a Hello World message in our web app. For that, we create a new class called Hello Controller, and then add a sayHello method for handling the API call. We have 2 annotations to make this controller class and method return data to the web view. One is at REST controller and the other is at request mapping. At REST controller is best used when you want to return data, like JSON or XML rather than a view, like HTML. The at request mapping annotation is used to map requests to controller methods using a URL. Alright, let's return a welcome to product service message to the web view. Now let's go ahead and check the result by refreshing the page. And there we have it, we can see our first API is called successfully. Now, let's create one more API and see how we can simply pass an argument to the calling function using the @path variable annotation. Finally, we can pass the parameter values using the URLs. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe to MP Codes for more videos.